Nearly every water feature system in the world requires a pump to move water through a system. If the mechanical room were a human body, the pump would be the heart of the system. Without a pump, the system cannot recirculate the water and the system dies. That's why nearly every pump needs to be protected. This has been accomplished for many decades by the use of basket strainers or pot strainers. Nearly all pot strainers are designed in a similar manner. The purpose of the strainer is to catch debris, usually larger than 1/4 inch, so as to protect the pump from being damaged by things such as rocks, cans, bags, or any trash or debris that may have found way into a body of water. The vast majority of pot strainers are designed basically the same way. The strainer portion is housed in a vertical pipe with a flanged inlet on one side and a flanged outlet on the other. These strainers house a single basket, which is intended to trap or catch the debris before it can reach the impeller of a pump. When the basket becomes clogged with debris to the point where there is a pressure drop on the system of around 6 psi, it is necessary to manually remove the basket to be emptied, cleaned, and replaced for another cycle. If the strainer is not serviced in a timely manner, problems can occur which can damage a pump or pipe. The biggest issue with traditional basket strainers are their inherent tendency to clog prematurely because of the limited open area within the single basket, and the inefficient flow caused by a vertical pipe and a horizontal piping system. The open area of the perf that makes up the walls of the basket are what matter most. The higher the open area ratio of the strainer, the longer it will operate before needing cleaning, and the less stress it will put on the pump, resulting in energy savings. The patented ProFlo HP strainer is in a class by itself. Just as there are pot strainers, Y strainers, and duplex strainers, ProFlo has introduced a new category of strainer called high capacity or high cap strainers. High cap strainers have higher holding capacities than traditional strainers. They also offer higher flow rates with minimal pressure drops compared to pot strainers. The HP strainer has revolutionized debris straining through its unique dual basket design, low profile, and easy access maintenance. There are no industrial strainers on the market that can match the performance of an HP strainer. Because of the efficiency of the design, the HP strainer has the lowest pressure drop of any strainer. This graph was a test between a regular pot strainer and HP strainer to establish rate of increase of pressure drop versus debris loading. This was an actual test simulated by adding grass clippings every 2 minutes to 1000 GPM of flow. If 6 psi is considered a maximum acceptable pressure loss, then the HP strainer can be expected to run about 16 times longer than a standard pot strainer. In a normal operation, this could mean the difference between cleaning the machine twice a day versus once a week. Additionally, the clean basket pressure drop difference shown in the chart results in a lifetime of extra power savings to the facility owner. On a 1500 GPM system, the HP strainer can pay for itself in 2 years. The additional savings in future years can offset the cost of a new pump. The HP strainer is very simple to maintain. Most, if not all, industrial strainers have bolt-on lids. Removing the lid requires removing multiple nuts and bolts with a wrench. Usually, the larger the strainer, the more bolts that are required to be removed. The major advantage of the high cap strainer is its unique double door design. The HP strainer has no nuts and bolts that can easily be dropped or lost, and instead has quick release latches and easy spin wheels to disengage the outer door from the inner door. The 2-basket design and low profile makes cleaning the baskets much easier compared to a traditional pot strainer. Each individual basket is lighter and can be handled and cleaned one at a time. Because the HP has the lowest profile in the industry, removing the baskets doesn't require a ladder or mechanical davit arm and can be removed by a single individual from the ground. With design always in mind, the baskets can be rested on the open door of the strainer for ease of washing. The HP strainer's unique design allows for even basket loading and minimal pressure drop through the basket. Debris loads uniformly from back to front. Where the back wall clogs, the flow path continues in a linear manner, with little turbulence out the sides, top, and bottom of the baskets. The horizontal laminar flow within the HP strainer allows the pump impeller to see a uniform water wall, reducing the possibility of cavitation, which helps protect the impeller from premature wear and extends the bearing life because it helps eliminate torque. Additionally, integrated into the design is a unique feature called the bag grabber. The corrugated vertical bar at the influence side of the HP strainer is situated down the middle to divide the 2 baskets. If a plastic bag or other large object is introduced, this bag grabber will catch the bag, forcing it to streamline down the 2 interior basket walls as opposed to completely plugging the basket, causing a dramatic reduction in flow and possibly major damage to the system pump. The baskets are made from heavy-duty wedge wire screen that can be customized to filter out very fine debris as small as 500 microns, which converts the strainer to a type of hybrid filter. This adds to the versatility of the strainer for use in side stream nozzle protection applications on the discharge side of a pump. HP strainers have flange sizes from 2 inches to 36 inches and are available in 304, 316, or duplex stainless for saltwater or highly corrosive environments, and eccentric or concentric configurations. NSF-approved coatings are also available. For more information on the ProFlo HP strainer, visit our website at www.profloinc.com.